Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this case is made by Ringke. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, let's go ahead and put the case on the device. Now this is the Ringke Fusion-X case. And these cases are pretty good. They have nice grip and offer good protection. I can see right now that the fit and finish is not as good as it should be. You can see that little line right there. That's not quite closed like it should be, but it's not bad. Now, but otherwise, it's a decent fit. Now, the camera area is well protected, as you can see. You're not going to have any problem there because they got a finish area right there that's going to protect the camera. And you got these industrial type inserts right here that will keep the back off of the surface, so that's going to help the back as well. Clear back right there. You can see the Apple logo right there. And you have a raised area right here. It's kind of subtle, a little subtle raised area right there on the top and the bottom to keep the front glass off of the surface. And you got bolstered corners to help for protection right there, drop protection. And the sides are pretty slim, doesn't offer too much bulk there. The buttons work well, as you can see. And you got your charging port area right here. Everything lines up, looks pretty good right there. You got your lanyard open right there, and your bottom down rocker, mute switch. And you got a little bit of a Ringke branding right there, Fusion-X, and another lanyard open right there. A little bit of detail. It's not a bad case. It fits pretty well. It kind of fits the flat sides pretty nicely, and I think I like this one. I'm not a big fan of the flat side of this phone, but some of the cases help with that. It doesn't make the creases so sharp, and this one does a good job of that without adding too much bulk. All right. Now let's go ahead and check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, now here's the wireless charger. Let's put this on and see what happens. Okay, so wireless charge pops up right there, no problem. Everything works just fine. Okay, now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Fusion-X case, compatible with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the clear one. This is black. It comes in two colors. You can get it in black, and you can get it in camo black right there as well. All right. Let me see if I can get a picture of the camo black as well, because it doesn't look bad right there, camo black. Now, both of these cases are $11.99, and it's a decent price. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, so that was a quick look at the iPhone 12 Pro Max Ringke Fusion-X case, all right? Good case. Ringke usually makes decent products. Wireless charge works. And I think it'll give you good protection as well. All right. Now, if you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.